Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to use symbols in Adobe Illustrator CS5. I have created this image here, which is a bubble. I use just basic um, shapes to create it, and now what I have to do is actually convert it into a symbol, so then I will be able to work with that. So I'm just gonna make sure that my symbols panel is open. If it's not open, you can find it in Windows and then symbols. Now what I can do is actually just select my object and drag it into the symbols panel. Now this Windows will pop up, which is a symbol options, and you can give it a name. And for this case we will be using the type graphic because we are not going to export any of these to Flash. We're just going to keep working inside of Illustrator, and then just press OK. Now as you can see, the shape is actually inside of my symbols, so that means that it's ready to be used. I can actually delete this one if I want to. As you can see, it's inside of my symbols. So what I'm going to do is go to the tools panel, and I'm going to use the symbol sprayer tool. This tool will allow me to just spray this symbol around. You see? So instead of probably copy and pasting many times, I have used this tool just to spread the same symbol many times. And I have created actually different instances of the same object. Now I can use any of the other tools that I can use with symbols. So I can use the symbol shifter tool just to move around the objects. So just click and drag, so you can play with that just to change the position. The symbol scruncher tool is just to bring together the symbols. Just if I press, or if I press Alt and then click, then I will separate them. I can also use the symbol sizer just to change the size of the symbol of each instance. So if I want to increase the size, then I can just click. If I want to decrease, I can press Alt and then click. Then I will be able to change randomly the size of the objects. Okay. Now the next one, symbol spinner tool, just allow me to change the direction of the symbol. Probably no, you can't see this one very much because of the shape, but yeah, it does change the direction of the symbol. As you can see, just click and drag, and then you will be able to rotate the symbol. The symbol stainer will actually allow you to add some color to the instances, but you have to make sure to select a fill first. So if I select one color, then I will be able to change them just by clicking. See? Very simple. I can use the screener tool just to change the opacity of the symbols. Just click, and then you will be able to change the percentage of opacity. Remember, you can use Alt to go back again. Just increase it. So that's basically how you can work with symbols in Illustrator CS5. You can use any type of drawing just to create symbols and instances. Now, one of the benefits of using symbols is that it can actually modify the main symbol just once, and it will automatically modify the rest of the instances. So if I double click the bubble inside of my symbol panel, now I'm in the isolated view, so I can actually change the size or whatever I need to. Okay, I'm just gonna give you an example. And if I go back, then all my instances will change as I did in my main symbol. So that's a very simple way to show you how to use symbols inside of Illustrator.